guys, welcome to this short video. In today's lesson I am going to tell you about what is the difference between simile versus metaphor. So first I will explain that what is the simile. Simile a comparison between two different things, यानी दो चीज़ों के दरमियान जब हमने मुशाबह देनी होती है, that is called the simile. So similes use connecting words as, like and as. Okay, इस सिमिली को जब हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं इसमें हम दो तरह से एग्जांपल एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, as यूज करते हुए और like यूज करते हुए. Okay, these two words are the recognition of the simile. Next point is to point a picture and give an example. Okay, then simile makes explicit comparison. We have to comparison between two things and we have to resemblance between two things, then we have to use the simile. A comparison between two different things and examples you can see here. Bob is as brave as a lion. यानी जो बॉब था वो एक शेर की तरह बहादुर था. So here you can see we are using as. So whenever we are used as or like, that is called the simile. So next is the pizza is as hot as a fire. यानी पिज़्ज़ा इतना गर्म था जिस तरह के आग हो. Same we are using here as. So this is the identification of simile. Life is like a dream. So again, life is like a dream यानी जिंदगी एक ख्वाब की मानिंद है. She is like an angel यानी वो एक फरिश्ते की तरह मासूम है. So life is like a box of chocolates यानी हमारी जो जिंदगी है वो एक box of chocolate की तरह है यानी बहुत पुरखुश है. Alright students, so here you can see what is simile. Simile में इन उर्दू इन सिंपल वर्ड्स यू कैन से जब हमने किसी चीज़ को मुशाबहत देनी है लेकिन इसमें हम एज और लाइक यूज करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड द simile. Okay, next you can see the metaphor. So what is the metaphor? A comparison between two different things without using words as or like. Okay, यानी इसमें भी हम कंपैरिजन और मुशाबहत ही यूज करेंगे लेकिन हम इसमें एज और लाइक को यूज नहीं करेंगे. Metaphors do not use connecting words. इसमें connecting words नहीं होते, हम direct उसको उसी नाम से बुलाते हैं. To point a picture for the reader, metaphors make implicit comparison. Again इसमें comparison explain करना है. A comparison between two different things without using words as or like. Okay, same हमने as और like use नहीं करना. अगर हमने as और like use किया तो ये simile बन जाएगा. इसमें हम direct उसको उसी नाम से बुलाएंगे. Just like Rushan is a lion. So lion it means कि Rushan बहादुर है. Same is the case here. You can see the examples. Bob is a lion. The pizza is a fire. यानी कि पिज़्ज़ा बहुत गर्म है. Life is a dream. She is an angel. So life is a box of chocolate. इसमें हम direct उसको उन्हीं example से explain कर रहे हैं. As और like use नहीं करेंगे. Alright students, so this is the difference between the simile versus metaphor. Here you can see the examples. So Bob is as brave as a lion. This is the example of simile and Bob is a lion is a metaphor. यानी simile में हम as और like use करेंगे और metaphor में हम direct उसको उसी name से बुलाएंगे. I hope your concept will be clear about the simile versus metaphor. So take care and Allah Hafiz.